Sharing volume groups across multiple VMs provides shared storage for guest clustering and high availability applications. Sharing a volume group allows multiple VMs to have controlled, coordinated access to the same virtual disks. In Prism Element, under Storage from the drop-down menu, choose Volume Group. Now click on Update and then Add New Client and confirm. Now enter the IQN or IP address, adjust settings, and hit Save. Navigate to the VM from the drop-down menu and right-click the target VM that will share the volume group and select Launch Console. Now in iSCSI Initiator Properties, click on the Discovery tab and click on Discover Portal. Then enter the IP address of the portal you wish to add and click OK. Now under the Targets tab, click on Connect and confirm. Now bring up Disk Management and right-click on the disk you want to add. Choose New Simple Volume where you can specify size, assign a drive letter or path, and adjust partition settings. This VM is now sharing with the other VMs in this volume group. Common use cases for sharing a volume group include Windows failover clustering, Oracle Real Application Clusters, VM guest clustering, clustered file systems. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.